Now, across Texas, the issue is...
I'm Greg Grugan in Houston.
I'm Rudy Koski in Austin.
And I'm Stephen Dial in Dallas, and this is Texas. The issue is...
Productive hand up or wasteful handout? The debate over offering economically challenged Americans a guaranteed monthly income has simmered across our country for years. Here in Texas, the contentious issue is now before the state Supreme Court after Attorney General Ken Paxton challenged a controversial Harris County plan to shell out $20 million worth of $500 monthly stipends to low-income recipients via a lottery. And while the dispersal is on indefinite hold, the dispute over the merits and the politics continues in the public square.
Uplift Harris is about helping struggling families make ends meet, put food on the table, and keep the lights on.
You just can't give out money on street corners like popcorn, because that really is lottery socialism.
As we know, after the pandemic, prices went up sky high, and it has been proven to be successful. Stop picking on poor people. Guys, let's work on other things.
Why stop at $500 a month? Why don't we give them $10,000 a month to have them be truly in the middle class? This is a giant joke.
And Ken Paxton is playing political games with their lives. And I ask that Mr. Paxton come down and meet with some of these families and tell them straight to their face and see what it was that they were going to use those dollars for.
You're not letting us go give out $500 a month to buy votes, and therefore you're threatening democracy. I mean, it's just like... I don't know, it just sort of wears you out.
Why the heck does Ken Paxton care? This is not state money, this is federal money, and we're trying to help people.
Putting more people on government dependency doesn't solve the problem of inequality.
And I know some members of the Texas Supreme Court, when it gets there, I hope they will rise above petty political partisanship.
You can't have a lottery giveaway by zip code of a benefit that has no governmental benefit with no strings attached, and you're violating the Texas gift clause by doing it. And that's why Paxton's suit is righteous, and no amount of demagoguery is going to change the facts of the case.
What they care about is maintaining a system that favors billionaires and starving working families.
The court of public opinion, in terms of people I've talked to the person, they think this is a bad idea. Whether you're Democrat or Republican, the feedback to me is this isn't right.
I do not expect that we're going to get a fair shot, but we're going to do everything we can in the courtroom to ensure that the legal arguments are made and that this program is protected.
When you have folks dying in the jail, I think our money would be much more well spent in addressing those incredible needs than trying to find several hundred people to give $500 a month to.
You hope that if this pilot program goes well, we could make a case to the Congress, to the state, all the taxpayers here.
Okay, fellas, after that exchange, my one-word reaction is patronage. Stephen, how about you?
Slippery slope.
All right, Rudy, lay it on me.
Guys, my word for that is the word that I use for the way I feel about both of you. Unconditional.
Okay, plenty more to discuss here with the Fox Texas Trio, and we'll return on the other side of this break.